Welcome to this video guide on calculating AC size for your room, designed specifically for engineers to understand the principles of BTU and tonnage sizing. Core metrics for sizing are BTU per hour and tonnage. BTU indicates the speed of heat removal in 1 hour. In Indian markets, we use tonnage to describe cooling capacity, which is not related to the machine's physical weight. Engineers often use floor area as a starting baseline. By calculating the area, length times width, and multiplying by 100 to 120 BTU per hour, you can estimate the base cooling capacity needed for a room. Relying on area alone is a common myth. Environmental factors like location, window size, insulation, and the number of occupants significantly change the actual cooling requirements, even for rooms with identical square footage. The true metric is the total heat load. This includes transmission, solar, occupant, ventilation, appliance, and lighting loads, all of which contribute to the heat trapped inside a room. Specific environmental variables alter the mathematical model. Sun exposure from the west, top floor heat gain, higher ceilings, and poor insulation all increase the total cooling load substantially. Internal sources like people and electronics generate massive heat. For example, occupants release both sensible and latent heat, while electronics convert power directly into thermal energy, which must be accounted for in your calculations. Climate plays a critical role. In humid environments, an AC must perform two jobs: lowering the temperature by removing sensible heat, and reducing humidity by removing moisture. Moisture removal is vital for human comfort. Incorrect sizing leads to problems. An undersized unit runs continuously and fails in afternoon heat, while an oversized unit cycles off too quickly, leaving the room humid and increasing mechanical wear. Inverter ACs change the capacity rule. Unlike fixed units, inverters vary their compressor speed and output. Engineers must evaluate the minimum and maximum capacity range to ensure effective performance. Do not confuse BTU with watts. BTU per hour measures cooling output, while watts measure electrical power input. They are not equivalent. For instance, an 18,000 BTU AC will consume significantly fewer watts. Refer to this base capacity guide for Indian homes. Remember, always shift toward the higher end of the capacity range for rooms with high solar exposure, top floor locations, or large windows. Follow this practical 5-step formula. Calculate area, find the base BTU, add all heat loads, convert to tons, and finally, select the unit that matches the manufacturer's capacity range. Use this checklist as you finalize your assessment. Remember, floor area provides a starting point, but an analysis of the total heat load is what determines the actual professional requirement.